Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and welcome back to my Excel channel. Thanks for joining me. Today I want to share an awesome Excel pivot table tip with you, and it is how do you sort on your calculated columns area or values area. Because so if you try to put a filter on here, let's go to the home tab and filter, it's actually grayed out, so you can't do it, but you can. So if you go to this cell here, and if you go to your filter, it's suddenly available. Let's click on it, and there we can filter this column. How awesome is that? If you want to use the shortcut, it's Control Shift and L, and you can see that's removed it, so let's pop it back on. So if you're a shortcut user, you can use Control Shift L, and again, if you want to remove it, Control Shift L, or you can go back to the home tab in the editing and remove the filter. So that's how we use a full filter on our pivot tables when we want to look at the value column. If you found this useful, I have a pivot tables playlist. I'll link it in the description for you. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.